Hello guys, and today I would like to talk about logical operations. When I say logical operations, I'm talking about using like operations like or, and, you know. I definitely will show you many examples, but I think like from this basic math classes, I'm sure like some of you surely studied all these things before. But I mean, it's one thing to study like to do a math. It's another one to apply it to to the language that you writing in this case JavaScript. So let's jump into that, guys. Okay, you can see already. I'm going to delete all of this stuff and just start from scratch. Just keep it this variable age for now. Right, guys, I will start from this example. Let's define if, and then I would say age, and let's define another variable. Sorry, I misspelled. Okay, now I would like to say if age equal to 40, this operation, it's a new guys for you operation, right? Like I never touched it before. It's called AND operation. It's really strict operation. So let's define. So idea is, in this case, I'm saying, listen, if age is equal to 40 and weight is equal to 70, then we going inside of this body. And then I would like to say console. I'm misspelling everything. And I'm going to say my name, my goodness, my name is Dmitry. Simple as that. So another condition I would like to use, else if, I would like to say else if age is equal to 40 and weight equal to 60, then I just copy and paste Michael. Else my name is, I would say, Robert. Not sure if it's Robert De Niro or what kind of Robert, but anyway. So okay, here let's run it first. So expectedly, my name is Dmitry, right? Because we satisfied completely this condition, right? So, but what if I change it to 60? So obviously this condition is not going to be satisfied anymore, right? In this case, this condition is going to be satisfied. If run it once again, expectedly my name is Michael. So the idea is, guys, in this case, this condition, they are strict. But I will show you another one. If you use these two vertical lines one by one, it's called O condition. So it's not strict condition anymore, right? And what I'm going to say in this case, if age equal to 40 or weight equal to 70, it doesn't matter if both of them not satisfied. If just one of them is satisfying this condition, then we're going to execute this code inside of the brackets. So let's run it. My name is Dmitry, right? So I hope, guys, you understood it, and you understand it in general, because it's quite simple, but still, you need to understand it. Cool. So now, another thing I would like to mention, we can say like that. In this case, it's going to be not condition, right? Not equal to. So again, this one is strict equal to. It's just comparison, right? In order to compare. So, but this one is going to be not equal to. So essentially I'm saying if age not equal to 40 or weight is 70, then go to Dmitry. And also I can actually change it here. So now I'm saying if age not equal to 40 or weight not equal to 70, then go here. And I'm still going to output my name is Dmitry, right? But if I move back to end, it's going to be, and I say if age not equal to 40 and weight equal to 70, but in this case it's not satisfying at all, right? And now it's strict, right? So let's see. So predictably it didn't go here, right? Because again, this one, both these conditions were not satisfied. This one and this one. But this condition, they were satisfied, right? So guys, remember, this one is not equal to, because I know, like, in many cases, somehow, people forget about the existence of this operator, but definitely it exists, and we use it on a daily basis. So, all right. Now I would like to talk about, let's just mix these conditions. For example, I would like to say if age is equal to 40 and weight is equal to 70, and let's define a new one. Const. Okay, we have age, we have weight. Probably height 180. It's in metrics. So, and height is equal to 180. So now what I would like to do, I would like to say this one or this one, right? But it's important, guys, to understand. I will wrap it in the brackets, and I will tell you why I'm doing that, right? So in this case, it's becoming more and more complicated, right? So now this first part, what I'm saying is, if this age equal to 40 and weight equal to 70, it's still a strict condition, right? Then I'm saying or height equal to 180. So obviously I'm saying if this condition or this condition satisfying, then I'm go here, right? I will go here. So in this condition, actually, in this case, actually both condition. This condition is not satisfied, but this condition is satisfied. We still have to we still going to execute this piece of code, this line. So let's see. Here we go. We're running it. But now if I change it to here, to not equal. Now both these conditions, they're not satisfied, and I'm saying if so this condition not satisfied or this not satisfied, so now we're not going to be we're not going to move to this line anymore. So predictably, it's my name is Michael. Why my name is Michael? Because age is 40, right, and weight is 60. So 3 conditions, and it's satisfying, right? So guys, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Especially remember, I mean, it would become really crazy, you know. It can become really complex, but like this condition is kind of semi-complex, but it's not that complex. But still, you know, in this case, brackets should help us, you know, to stay, you know, on track. Because, you know, sometimes you can be confused, like what exactly you're trying to achieve. And in order to, you know, remember that, definitely you have to use, you know, brackets. Because, you know, at the end of the day, I can define like that, right? I can say like that, right? And it's going to be different story, right? So I'm going to say if age equal to 40 and weight equal to 70 or height not equal to 180. So essentially in this case, both these conditions should satisfy again, right? In order to come up, in order to execute this code. So in this case, okay, age is equal to 40, correct, satisfying. Weight is equal to 70, no. Or height is not 180, no. So this is not satisfying. This is satisfying. So essentially we shouldn't go here. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I'm not misleading you guys. Here we go. So you understand what I'm saying, right? It can be really, really complex. And you know, sometimes it's like, it's essentially without these brackets, it's the same kind of condition, right? But based on these brackets, you can come up with multiple options, right? So, and just remember, we have to use these brackets. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I think it was really quite helpful. Like, you know, this video, I hope it would help you to understand like the importance of using brackets here in this kind of conditions, and that, you know, not equal signs, they exist in JavaScript, and we use it on a daily basis. Thank you very much guys, and goodbye.